First, you want to make sure you know where the center is. So you measure this, and it's 2 1/4. So it's going to be half of 2 1/4, which I decided was going to be right here, the first line after the 1 inch. And I'm coming down 2 inches with it. So first, you're going to mark your 2 inch line here. After you mark the 2 inch line, then you're going to come over here and see where the center is and line it up with that 2 inch line. See, after you get it lined up with the center line, then you're going to draw a line through the line so that way you form a cross, and then you know exactly where to drill. And then this line to the right here, we're just going to erase that because we don't need that anymore. Then you're going to take your handle and you want to line it up, center it as best you can around that cross you made there, and you're going to come down and etch that with your pencil so you know where the bottom is. Then you're going to draw a line with your tape measure where the center line is. Then you're going to bring this back up the handle, line it up with your mark up here, put it over it as if this bolt was coming through the best you can. Then you come down here, see where the line is? It's too short, so you're going to draw it a little longer. Then you're going to eyeball this to see where exactly you need to write the line through it to complete the cross. And I'm going to put it about there. And you can see that. Actually, the line of the cross, it looks like it needs to go down a little bit more. So I'm going to erase this a little bit. Put it right there. Then I'm going to check it again. You only get one shot at this, so you want to make sure you do it right the first time. See how it's see how the line is centered with the hole down there where the bolt goes into? If they both look good, then you can drill your holes. And when you put a handle on a drill like this, not fun. Got to do a lot more measurements to get it centered on here. I'll show you another trick too. See the problem? If you drill a hole, you're going to end up going through this by accident. So what I do is put a 2x4 here, if you have one, or some kind of piece of wood, and then you close the door like that. Keep this secure, hold it with one hand, and then you can drill your holes. And it doesn't matter if, see, I already hit it right here, doing another cabinet door. You install the 2 bolts, push them through the door, put your handle on, and you're done. And the handle is nice and centered with this piece here. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.